The Porsche Taycan just got even better, and today, we're diving into everything new for 2025. But before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe for more EV content. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the refreshed Porsche Taycan, and it's bringing some serious upgrades to the table. How does 1019 horsepower in the new Turbo GT sound? Or how about charging from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes? Yeah, Porsche isn't playing around. Let's start with the looks. The changes might be subtle, but they're there. Revised bumpers, sleeker headlights, and reshaped fenders give the Taycan an even more purposeful stance. But the real story? It's what's underneath that gorgeous sheet metal. For 2025, Porsche has addressed one of the biggest criticisms of the previous Taycan: range. The base battery is now bigger at 83.6 kilowatt hours, and you can option up to a 97 kilowatt hour pack. Combined with a lighter, more efficient rear motor, we're looking at estimated ranges between 250 and 322 miles. That's a massive improvement, folks. But here's where it gets really interesting. During our testing, we managed to drive a prototype for 313 miles with 8% battery still left in the tank. And when you do need to charge, the new 320 kilowatt DC fast charging capability means you're spending less time plugged in and more time driving. Step inside, and you're greeted by up to 5 high-resolution displays, including that gorgeous curved 16.8-inch instrument cluster. New for 2025 is enhanced Apple CarPlay Plus, which now lets you control your climate settings without leaving the CarPlay interface. Small detail? Maybe. But it's these little touches that make living with the car even better. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Taycan really shines. Even the base rear-wheel drive model will hit 60 in just 4.1 seconds. But the star of the show? That's the new Turbo GT. This beast will rocket to 60 in a mind-bending 2.2 seconds. Let that sink in. That's supercar territory from a four-door sedan. Behind the wheel, the Taycan remains an absolute joy to drive. The steering is precise and communicative, and the chassis balance is simply exceptional. The new optional Porsche Active Ride suspension is a game-changer, virtually eliminating body roll while still delivering a comfortable ride. It's like black magic, honestly. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. The Taycan starts at $101,395, and if you want that bonkers Turbo GT, you're looking at $232,000. Yes, that's a lot of money, and yes, you can get more range and space from a Lucid Air or Tesla Model S for less. But here's the thing: nothing, and I mean nothing, in the electric luxury segment drives quite like a Taycan. This isn't just an EV, it's a Porsche through and through. The way it attacks corners, the precision of its controls, the build quality, it all adds up to something special. Is it perfect? No, the rear seats are still a bit tight, and cargo space isn't exactly abundant. Some rivals will go farther on a charge, and they'll cost you less doing it. But if you're looking for the most engaging and sports car-like EV on the market, this is it. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Porsche Taycan takes everything we loved about the original and makes it better. More range, faster charging, better tech, and that insane Turbo GT model pushed the envelope of what we thought possible from an electric sports sedan. For the driving enthusiast who wants to go electric without giving up the thrill of a proper sports car, the Taycan remains the benchmark. It's not just a great EV, it's a great car, period. That's it for our review of the 2025 Porsche Taycan. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments, would you take this over a Tesla Model S Plaid? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.